Hi see people, today's video is on this vanilla cake, and if you want to know how I made this, just keep on watching. The items needed for the vanilla cake will be all-purpose flour, white sugar, vegetable oil, milk, vanilla extract, butter, heavy cream, baking powder, icing sugar, eggs, and salt. You can get your mixing bowl and add in your flour and your baking powder.
I don't want to go back, oh, how naive I was.
Okay, so we're gonna keep this aside and get another mixing bowl and add in your sugar as well as your butter. Next, you can add in your vegetable oil and the vanilla extract.
Accuse me for my 1,000 crimes. I'm left in shame.
You can use your beater to mix the ingredients. It will be easier and also faster. And here I'm actually using this bowl that I recently got, and it's super huge, so it's easier for me and also doesn't fly out of the bowl.
Surely your love and your goodness will forever be. Cause no, I don't want to go back, or how naive I was. I'm running to where my hope is, where I know I'm free.
Next, you can add in 4 large eggs, and I'm just adding in 2 and then mixing, and then add the other 2 again.
Cause no, I don't want to go back, or how naive I was. I'm running to where my hope is, where I know I'm free. I was thinking about way back, when I thought I had it figured out, when I thought that I knew what to do and I didn't.
Once you're done mixing, you can grab your bowls earlier that you added in the flour. So you can just sieve the flour and add in together and just mix all the ingredients.
All I did was resent you. Oh no, I don't want to go back, oh how naive I was. I'm running to where my hope is, where I know I'm free. Ooh, this world accused me for my 1,000 crimes. I'm left in shame alone, but you tell me the truth. I'm so happy with you. Now I want to do good, keep my covenant with you.
Now you can add in your milk, and also don't forget to add in salt.
And I did. Surely your love and your goodness will forever be. Cause no, I don't want to go back, or how naive I was. I'm running to where my hope is, where I know I'm free. to where my hope is, where I know.
Now that we're done with the cake batter, we can prepare the pan and add in your cake to prepare to bake.
I was thinking about way back when I thought I had it figured out.
So you can bake at 350 for 22 to 25 minutes. Okay, while the cakes are baking, now I'm gonna do the icing. So you can grab your bowl and add in your heavy cream. And then I'm just gonna mix it first.
Go back, oh how naive I was. I'm running to where my hope is, where I know I'm free. Ooh, this world accused me for my 1,000 crimes. Worthless and to no good. I'm left in shame alone, but you tell me the truth. I'm so happy with you. Now I want to do good. Keep my covenant with you. No longer will I look back to the sin I did. Surely your love and your goodness will forever be. 'Cause no, I don't want to go back. Oh, how naive I was. I'm running to where my hope is, where I know I'm free.
Now you can add in your powdered sugar, and I actually didn't add this much of powdered sugar as it recommended because I felt that was too much, so I lessened it to half. So if you want, you can add in the full amount, or depending on your taste.
Where I know I'm free.
So yes, you're mixing and going along, you can add in your butter, your vanilla extract, and your salt as well.
I was thinking about way back when I thought I had it figured out. When I thought that I knew what to do and I didn't need you. I can't imagine if I stayed back. What would happen if I never found you? Those times were hard and all I did was resent you. Oh no, I don't want to go back. Oh how naive I was. I'm running to where my hope is, where I know I'm free. Ooh, this world accused me for my 1,000 crimes.
And you're done with the icing, so the cakes are coming out very well, and once you've cooled that, then you can start to prepare the cake.
You, now I want to do good. Keep my covenant with.
Now that's all cooled down, you can add your icing to the cake and decorate however you want it. So I'm just gonna do the traditional way of covering the whole cake and putting it in the middle as well.
Will forever be. 'Cause no, I don't want to go back. Oh how naive I was. I'm running to where my hope is, where I know I'm free. where my hope is, where I know I'm free. I was thinking about way back when I thought I had it figured out, when I thought that I knew what to do and I didn't need you. I can't imagine if I stayed back, what would happen if I never found you. Those times were hard and all I did was resent you. Oh no, I don't want to go back. Oh, how naive I was. I'm running to where my hope is, where I know I'm free. Ooh, this world accused me for my thousand crimes. I'm left in shame alone, but you tell me the truth. I'm so happy with you. Now I want to do good, keep my covenant with you. No longer will I look back to the sin I did. Surely your love and your goodness will forever be. 'Cause no, I don't want to go back. Oh, how naive I was. I'm running to where my hope is, where I know I'm free. Cause no, I don't want to go back. Oh, how naive I was. I'm running to where my...
So I'm just trying my best here to actually make it a whole with the icing. So for decoration wise, you can actually add in sprinkles or any kind of decorations that you want. You can even color your icing to make it colorful. So I was having some issues over here, so it actually my stand is like going down, so just ignore that. And yeah, you can just decorate however you want. So I'm just adding sprinkles to be simple and just be simple and elegant.
I was thinking about way back when I thought I had it figured out, when I thought that I knew what to do and I didn't need you. I can't imagine if I stayed back, what would happen if I never found you. Those times were hard and all I did was resent you. Oh no, I don't want to go back. Oh, how naive I was. I'm running to where my hope is, where I know I'm free. Ooh, this world accused me for my thousand crimes. I'm left in shame alone, but you tell me the truth. I'm so happy with you. Now I want to do good, keep my covenant with you. No longer will I look back to...
This is the final cake and I hope you liked it. So I actually did enjoy the cake, and vanilla cake I've tried before and it was quite sweet, but this isn't that sweet, the cake wise, not the icing. Yeah, so I hope you really liked it, and if you try, definitely let me know how you felt. So thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine.